Very, very, very happy to be here with such a very young unit, happy unit. When Vivek was singing, people were dancing there. That's the mood that we need to generate into this industry. And I'm really happy I'm here. It's really, all of you, really, really satisfied that I'm here. Okay, the producers, best wishes and all of us. Hello? That's what you need, and I'm sure you've done a very good project and it'll do extremely well. I was very happy to see Nagesh. I knew him from very, very young days in Spirit. Nagesh, I'm so happy. I was very, very happy. నేను అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నాను ఎవరి cameraman అని, but it was Nagesh. I'm so happy for you, Nagesh. Very, very happy, Nagesh. Great music from Vivek. I really enjoyed. Normally I don't stay so long for nothing. I was happy when he came and asked, can we do one more song? Ante Chainindi, it's really nice. It's like a free concert. Thanks. And Vijay, I cinema chodledhu gaani, I've heard a lot of good things about it. Really good. Ritu, all the team. There's one boy, I see. Abhay. All of you, thank you all. You've done a great job. And Tarun, I have a proposal for you. Will you accept it or not? Will you do my next movie?
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
You're done. Your whole team come up. You can make your next movie immediately. I was so impressed. The trailer chusano. It was really good when that word experience, new age rom-com, fantastic. It's really good, top of the line. Very, very happy. I wish this film does extremely well. And all the people here, I'm from the bottom of my heart, I want this industry to be full of these youngsters. Best wishes to all of you.
This is like a family, and Vijay na tammudu lantadu, and he's like a family. Love you, guy. He's so special ఎందుకంటే ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ప్రొటెక్టివ్ అబౌట్ హిమ్. ఆడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు అసలు, ఎలాంటి సినిమాలు చేస్తున్నాడు, చాలా ప్రొటెక్టివ్గా ఉంటాను. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్. ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ నేను లైఫ్ ఈజ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సెలెక్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఆఫీస్లోకి ఇలా ఎంటర్ అయినప్పుడు నేను కూర్చున్నా ఫస్ట్ టైం, ఎవరిని కలవలేదు. దెన్ ఒకటి ఇలా వచ్చాడు బట్ పొడుగ్గా 6 feet అని, వీడవాడు చాలా భలే ఉన్నాడు, వీడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు అనుకున్నా. హాయ్ హాయ్ అని పరిచయం చేసాను. సో ఈజ్ విజయ్. సో ఏంటి సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యంటే ఇంకా సెలెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు, చూడాలి ఏం జరుగుతుందో అన్నారు.